Cheers. It's my roommate's birthday, so we're gonna make her a milk bar cake dupe with champagne, because that's what we do. So I am half going off of a recipe I got from Better Home and Gardens, and then I'm also kind of adding my little own spice and flavor to it. So this is like a new recipe, so we're gonna see how it comes out. We're gonna add this flour, and then we're gonna add champagne to the mixture. Alright, now you cream your butter. I add some vanilla in there. Your sugar, I did like a third of the bag, or about 8 ounces, and a little bit of champagne. Whip it real good. This is like the texture that you want. And you put a little bit of icing here, and then you can put your cake on. Your frosting and then the berry filling. Hey dear Kristen, happy birthday to you. Cheers to being a doctorate, to being a lawyer.
Always like just
Yeah, you were quite good at that.
dumps it on. Oh wait, let me give you extra. Yeah, because my mom like very haphazardly cut.
Also, not me forgetting to vlog film my outros, because that's just who I am. That's just the one thing I always forget. But anyway, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Peace, love, blessings, y'all. I am linking the recipe in the description box below. I know I used but like half of a recipe, but I'm gonna I'm gonna tell you guys what I did to make everything. So hope y'all enjoy. Peace, love, blessings, y'all. Remember that you got this. Bye.